Welcome back to By His Grace Training Institute, and I welcome you back here once again for always keeping in touch with us when we upload every new content. Thank you very much, and you're also welcome back to another session of today's lesson on By the Grace IT Center YouTube channel. So today I want us to look at how to make a bootable USB drive. I want us to look at how to make a USB bootable drive. So without wasting my time, we will begin with the process. And as you can see, I have opened software by the name Poweriso. And Poweriso is a software which we use or which enable us to make a bootable USB drive. The Poweriso is what is a software that help us to make a bootable USB drive. So without wasting my time, I ask you to subscribe to this channel, like, and then also share this video, so that others can also watch and also subscribe, so that when we post any new video, you will be the first one to watch the content or every new content that by Grace IT Center will post on its YouTube channel. So without wasting my time, let's begin. And as you can see on the screen, I've opened or have launched Poweriso software. You can download the Poweriso from the website. You go to the website, then you type Poweriso. There you'll be able to download the software for yourself. So without wasting my time, let's begin the process on how to make a bootable USB drive or pen drive. So when you want to make a bootable drive, you first of all have to insert your pen drive, which I have already done. You have to first of all insert your pen drive. When you want to make a bootable drive or a bootable USB drive, you have to connect your pen drive to your machine or your computer, and then also after connecting your pen drive, then you launch Poweriso. As you can see on the screen, that I've already launched Poweriso. So after you have launched Poweriso, then you come to tools. After you have launched Poweriso, then you come to tools. When you click on tools, there will be a pop-up menu, and then on that pop-up menu, you select create bootable USB drive. I want to repeat myself again. First of all, insert your pen drive to your machine or your computer, launch or open Poweriso, and after you have opened Poweriso, click or select the tool menu on Poweriso on Poweriso. After you select the tool menu on Poweriso, as you can see here, there will be a drop-up menu, which is this. When you select your tool menu, when you select the tool menu, there will be a pop-up menu, and then on this pop-up menu, then you select create a bootable USB drive. So I'll select it. So after selecting, it will ask you to run Poweriso as administrator, and I will ask you if you want to continue. You create then. After then you click OK. Now you click on OK. This is what will happen. It will require you to allow this application to make changes to your device, which is the Poweriso. Then you click on yes. And you click on yes. The Poweriso will really start itself. To make and then launch itself again as the administrator. So as you can see, the Poweriso has been launched as an administrator, as you can see here. So I'll close this menu, and then when I close the menu, this popped up. So this shows that now the Poweriso is now open or acting as the administrator. So when the Poweriso is acting as, when you allow Poweriso to act as the administrator, automatically this menu will pop up, and so this is where you select your Windows image on the first blank there, and then the second one is where you select your drive which you have inserted in your machine. So the first one, which is the source image file, this is where we are going to select our Windows image or our operating system image into bracket Windows. So you click here, which will take you to your, let's say, it will take you into your files. So here, when this menu pop up, then you go to where your Windows are. So mine are on my desktop. So I'll click on my desktop, and then I'll scroll down. As you can see, here are some of the images, but right now I want us to choose the Windows 10 operating system or the Windows 10 Windows. So we have chosen the Windows 10 Windows operating system image. Then we click on OK. So after selecting the image, Windows image that you want to make it bootable on your pen drive, then you come to the second option where you choose your pen drive. You come to the second option, which is the destination USB drive. This is where you select your pen drive. So you click on this button here, which will bring up some little pop-up menu where we have the multiple card reader, and then the vendor product code. So with this, mine is the vendor product code, which is 8 gig. Select that one, then you click on start. You see, as you can see, when we click on start, there will be a pop-up one which is this one, which is prompting you that all data in the USB drive will be overwritten, which is when making a bootable drive, it will format or it will delete all your important files on your pen drive. So with this, I will recommend you to make a backup of your files on your pen drive before you begin with making your USB drive bootable, or making a bootable drive, or making your drive bootable. you have to make sure that you have backup all your files on your machine first before you make your drive bootable. So this one I don't have any files on it, so I'll click OK. Then after clicking OK, then it will begin to load the files. As you can see that it has begin from one. You can see that it has begin loading the files to the pen drive. So with this, you wait until it finishes before you can take off your pen drive from the machine. Before you can take off the pen drive from the machine. So when it gets here, you have to wait for it to finish before you take out your pen drive. Other than that, you spoil the process. So you have to wait for it to load and finish before you can remove your pen drive. So this is how you can make, or this is how to make a bootable USB drive. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this video and also share this video for us, and also like the video for us. Thank you very much. My name is Champion Felix, and thank you for watching. By His Grace by His Grace Training Institute YouTube channel. Thank you, and then goodbye. We meet once again. Thank you very much. Goodbye.